Your pantry may already be a color-coded, hyper-organized masterpiece, but its lasting perfection isn't about labels. It's a hidden defense system against pests. This system also fights a silent pantry killer, moisture, which leads directly to mold. And the vital element is one thing most people overlook: long ventilated shelves. Today, we're breaking down why this functional choice is the true foundation of that fantasy pantry. It begins with a system where everything has a home. First, an army of clear uniform containers. This lets you see inventory at a glance, minimizing waste. Second, precise labels. Every single container, and sometimes even the shelves, are clearly marked. Finally, rigid categorization. Baking supplies here, snacks there. It's a library for your food. But this level of open display creates a problem. The food itself becomes decor and must stay perfect. And that's where airflow comes in. Without proper air circulation, that pantry becomes a science experiment. But how does a simple shelf fight off decay? It is all about managing the microenvironment. Solid shelves trap air. This stagnant air lets moisture build up, which ventilated shelves prevent. This moisture causes mold and accelerates staling in dry goods. Proper ventilation extends shelf life. Ventilation regulates temperature and humidity. But what is the ideal pantry environment to achieve? The goal isn't just random airflow. It's about creating a consistently cool, dry space for your food. Beyond the science, there are practical wins. With wire shelves, loose crumbs simply fall to the floor. Compare this to solid shelves where crumbs get pushed to the back, collecting dust and attracting pests. Ventilated systems are also significantly more affordable than custom solid shelving. They are typically easier to install and adjust, letting you change your layout without a full renovation. So what about that ideal environment? The target humidity for a pantry is between 45 and 55%. But what about the biggest complaint with open shelves? Small items like spice jars tipping over? The solution is simple: choose the right type. Look for shelving with smaller gaps. Does your climate matter? Absolutely. In humid areas, the material choice becomes even more significant. For high humidity, avoid wood, which can warp. Opt for stainless steel or coated wire shelving. This is where solid shelves fundamentally fail. They trap moisture, and materials like MDF can swell. Let's bring it all together. Remember those perfect rows of jars? That aesthetic is only possible long-term if the food inside the container stays pristine. This is the fundamental link. The function of ventilation is what makes the visual form sustainable. Pest resistance protects your food investment, and affordability makes the entire project achievable. So your pantry is an engineered system, and ventilated shelves are the engine. They preserve your food, they make cleaning and pest control easier, and they are more affordable. So when you see these incredible pantries, don't just look at the labels. Look at the shelving. If you're planning a pantry renovation, start with the foundation. Prioritize ventilation. What's your biggest pantry challenge? Let us know in the comments. And for more design analysis, subscribe.